since Bitcoin went past 60,000 recently, there's a lot of alt tokens have actually picked up, but a lot are still down and they are still wavering and waiting for full recovery, and hoping soon there's going to be full recovery on every single altcoins that have been doing pretty well before now, even though most of them are no longer in the market. Like most altcoins are no longer in the market right now, especially those ones that were not really strong enough. All right, so the wave of the Bitcoin and all of it affected them so much. All right, so like I told you guys, I have a lot of experiments I do most times, and then I have a lot of some altcoins I've made research on, and then I bought them and kept them. And even if you know that it's these days it's so easy to create an altcoin, like it's so easy, very easy. All right, maybe subsequently I'll make video on how to create an altcoin, and then you guys can see, and so that you not fall prey of any of those such persons that will come to you. Okay, this one is coming to the market, please buy. All right, there are actually some that are really scamming. So here I have in this video a bit of recommendation I can have you guys check out. All right, an altcoin that I've been observing for some time right now, and then I think I tested it with about $2, and right now as we speak, within the past few days, it's about $52 or $54 right about. Okay, and I bought this altcoin since, like, it's been like about 2 months now since I bought it, and I've been observing it all through the period. Okay, it's been 3 months since I bought it. Yeah, it's been 3 months since I bought it, and I've been observing the pace and the community and what they're actually doing. And for the past 3 days, it's been on the top gainer for the day. All right, and it made the coin shoot up from like my balance to shoot from all the way from $2 to about $54. So I checked out their community, checked out the holders, and guys, take a pretty look at it here. And that coin I'm talking about right here is Baby BTC, Baby Bitcoin. All right, that's BBTC. All right. I believe most of you already have it. All right, so checking on their BS scan, you see the list of holders. Now you see that they have about 22,566 holders right now. All right, and the bond address still have about 57% of the coin in it. All right, so and the first 4-5 address have some fee percentage, 7%, 5%, and 4%. Now going over to their Twitter, I believe this thing just came in right now, and they've just been static on the trend line. All right, so now looking at their Twitter handle, you see that I can see that they have like about 516 followers as at the time I'm making this video right here. And there's a news here on their Twitter handle that came in about 23 hours ago from the time this video is being made. All right, because I'm uploading this video today. All right, that says that they've been contacted by Hotbit News. All right, that they want to list is and challenge us. They are willing to list us at no cost if we blow it up. Okay, their social media. You guys want an exchange? You got it. Read their media, send them pictures of BBTC and get listed. All right. So they posted on their Twitter handle that Hotbit News, all right, want to list them on Hotbit Exchange. All right, on Hotbit Exchange. All right. You see, going over to Hotbit Twitter handle, you see that Hotbit have about 365.3 thousand followers already, and then it's a kind of reliable exchange. All right, Hotbit is a reliable exchange you can trust. All right, so now checking about other of their resources, you discover that this coin has done pretty well. Look at the chart for today. It just been on the bull run, all right. Meanwhile, some of the other coins that has been on my wallet are still trying their possible best. They are still dancing along the line, but some few ones have reasonably jumped to some extent. All right, just you see the same. This is the same way I made video about Shiba Inu before it actually done 300% few weeks ago. All right, but most person didn't take me serious as at the time that that video was made. All right, now looking at their chart for the past 3 months, I mean for the past 1 month. All right, you can see that it started. It was way lower. Let's say about 22nd of October. It was way lower. Okay, it went all the way up. Okay, from the 19th of October, it went all the way up. It grew by, let's say, up to 700%. Yeah, it grew by up to 700%, and then went down a little bit by some 200 or 300% around 22nd of October. And this time around, it's all the way. Today is 23rd of October, and then it's all the way to. It has gone to its another all-time high. All right, and then it has broken. There's a resistance right here that it has just broken. So I believe it's high time that you guys should just check it out. But just know that this is not a financial advice, so make your personal research before you go into such a thing like this. Just check it out by yourself, see. All right, and whatever fund you're investing into crypto, it should be fun like crypto like this, altcoin like this should be fun that you are willing to do away with to get off. Okay, if in case it decide to plunge down, all right, just watch your investment. All right, so I think this is its all-time high that it has ever got into, and the other altcoins are still trying to recover, and this one in this recovery mode, it has gotten to this its first ever all-time high. All right, look at the chart. You discover that the last all-time high that it got to was about 0.0000. I don't want to count it, 1.169. All right, but right now it has gone to about 0.00001974. All right, so you can check that out and then see if you can, if you like to invest your money into it. I believe this coin, I just have a belief that this coin will do pretty well on the long run. All right, so now looking below the chart of the coin, I also figured out something. This coin can easily be swapped or exchanged on your Trust wallet with PancakeSwap, and the coin that it is easily swappable with is BNB, Smart Chain BNB. You can swap it with Smart Chain BNB on your Trust wallet. All right, as can be seen here, it can be swapped easily. All right, I think that should be that is the only alternative right now. All right, you can swap it on your Trust wallet. So now, if the moment hot beat, because the news just that you just posted on the Twitter is just like 24 hours ago. So imagine that Hotbit finally list this coin on their exchange platform, because just like they are planning to right now, it means that the coin is really going to be well known and it's really going to do pretty well and to get more recognition. So if you all can just check it out and just put in one or two coins, two tokens of your cash, and then it will pay you off on the long run. So I hope you enjoy this video, and before this video ends, those that I made a video somewhere about aqua goats not being able, them saying that they are migrating to V2, and their V1 becomes useless, and so many persons do not have the chance to migrate to V2. All right, right now they've also made I posted a form that they asked everyone to submit. All right, and to submit their email. Since then they've not actually gotten back to us, to me. All right, because I don't know how many persons. I know some persons did that. All right, I've not received an email from them. All right, recently, yesterday I received an email from them, and saying that okay, they have now considered the application form, they've now considered that particular application form. So if you're applied for that, check your application. It's probably considered by now, and they give some instruction on what to do to send the V1 to a particular V2 address, and then they will refund it into V1. They will refund the address you sent it with immediately. So the way to check that out. So if by now you're not subscribed to my channel, please do it to just hit that subscription button, and then make sure you turn the notification bell button on so that whenever I upload video you see that. And most importantly, like this video. All right, see you in my channel next time. See you in my video next time.